Chipping exerted by Sean Mokoila, and there's an early opportunity. Better than that, it's in the back of the net. Sakakuniu not in strike early. Delightful work done, and I think congratulations for Eric Tinkler. Big smiles on the face. An opportunity for Lilepo. In fact, Lilepo's waiting inside the penalty area. Is there a chance to save? No, there isn't. The bounce of the pole eludes Ronaldo Lina. Finally, Kaiser Chiefs get an equaliser. And, wow, in the right time as well. Lilepo, 5th goal of the season. And the man from the Democratic Republic of Congo doesn't disappoint with his 3rd goal.
This is going to be an interesting fixture. Kaizer Chiefs up against Sekhukhune United. The last match ended in a 1-1 draw. And now, let me give you a head-to-head between these two teams. The last 5 matches between Kaizer Chiefs and Sekhukhune United. Kaizer Chiefs won 2, Sekhukhune won 1, and the other matches it was a draw. The last match they played together back in May, it was a draw, where Sekhukhune scoring the early goal and then Lilepo equalizing there. Pulemondi got a red card, and then the whole game changed. No one scored again, so it ended in a in a 1-1 draw. So the coach, both sides, nothing has changed. Eric Tinkler, Coach Nabi on the other side. Now, the only thing that has changed is the players, because Upret Lokropla from SuperSport United is playing now for Sekhukhune United, and then Edermesen Dove, Akeko, Ulanduka, Oshiva Vero is no longer there. So Kaizer Chiefs has signed a lot of players now, different squad from the squad that you know previous season. So it's going to be an interesting fixture. Both teams are sitting on number 1. Sekhukhune scoring 8 goals, considering only 1 goal, and then Kaizer Chiefs scoring 5 with no goals considered, 5 clean sheets. It tells you that both of these teams are serious and they want to win the matches going forward. So we know that it's still early days. The league is still in early stages. So I expect that at least these teams like Sekhukhune, Kaizer Chiefs, whenever they are playing teams like as underdogs like Golden Arrows, Durban City, they will collect 1 to 3 points. So now, since they are playing together, never underestimate Sekhukhune United, because the players they know bayalazi ibhola, Umkhize, Omonare, bamnandi Hopla, just like I said. And then Kaizer Chiefs, they have quality, they have experience also in the squad, they have young players, so it's going to be an interesting game. So tell me what you think is going to happen in this match. I don't want to say too much, because just like I said, it's hard to predict what's going to happen to this match, given that the sides look different from what they were previous season. Tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.